They're trying to eat me.
Somebody help me.
Somebody help me.
Okay.
Help me, help me. Oh, dear God.
Somebody try to save me.
Somebody come.
Okay, start over.
Yeah.
Help me, help me. Someone save me.
Again.
The hillbillies.
Help me, help me. I don't want to.
Help me, help me. The hillbillies are trying to hit me. I don't want to die. Oh! The hillbillies are trying to eat me.
Got me a good one here.
Oh well.
He was the slowest one anyway.
Yeah, but he probably will be tasty. Well, oh well.
He was the slowest one anyway.
Yeah, but it probably will be tasty.
he
Oh well.
was the slowest one anyway.
Yeah, but it probably will be tasty for the hillbillies. Aaron, you got away! I don't know what happened. The hillbillies never came back.
Cut.
I think I see a house.
I think I see a house.
What? What? Oh, we run? I think I see a house. I think you're right.
Where are they going?
I don't think anybody's home. It's so dark in here, I can't see.